Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can use the Gmail confidential mode in your Gmail account. So you have a Gmail account that you use to send and receive a lot of emails, and there are some confidential emails that you need to send or receive in Gmail, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to use the confidential mode in a Gmail account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to use the confidential mode in a Gmail account is open a browser and go to gmail.com. Once you go to gmail.com, you'll land an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do in order to use the confidential mode is select the compose option on the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, what you want to do is enter the recipient email address. Once you enter the recipient address, what you want to do is tap on this button labeled as toggle confidential mode. So simply tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, you'll need to set an expiration date. So go ahead and set an expiration date of 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months or 5 years. This is the duration of your confidential mode between this recipient who has the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. So select the expiration date. Once you do that, what you can do is set up an SMS passcode as well, whether you want to use the SMS passcode to open that email or not. If you want to do it, what you want to do is simply select this SMS passcode option, then tap on the save button. Once you do this, you have successfully set up the confidential mode in a Gmail account. Now what you can do is enter the subject, enter the body, attach the files that you want to send, then send it to the person that you want to send it to. Now the recipient address that you have entered will receive an SMS passcode in order to open email that you have sent. So those were the simple steps in order to use the confidential mode in a Gmail account in very easy way. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.